On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Craig Morrell. I'm with Landscape Restorations in Miami, Florida. We're here at Palm Hammock Orchid Estate, and we're talking about planting and fertilizing. The title of this clip is Use Your Living Libraries and Use Your Local Resources. One of the most beautiful things in the world is a well-designed garden where all the plants get along. But you won't be able to do that all by yourself. Go to your local nurseries, use your extension service resources, use your local gardeners, use your plant societies. Diversity is everything, but it only works if you happen to know what you're doing. And libraries with books aren't nearly as good as people with good minds. Take a look around you and take a look and see what kind of diversity there is out there. All of the plants in a given nursery will usually grow where you are. Ask about things. Ask about the diversity. Ask what grows in your neighborhood. And use the living resources and the living history in your area. Pick the oldest gardeners you can find.